Hi everyone, I'm Local 10's Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. Let's get you the forecast, your weather headlines first. Gusty showers in the forecast. Beachgoers and boaters beware, and there is a coastal flood advisory in effect. Now, the coastal concerns have to do with the fact that there's a small craft advisory, so there are some hazards out there as the winds are so very strong from the east-northeast over the Atlantic waters, 20 to 25 knots, gusting up to 35, seas running some 8 to 13 feet off Miami-Dade and Broward. So there's a small craft advisory, the rip current risk is high, and there is also a coastal flood advisory as mentioned, meaning that as the full moon phase approaches a little bit later this week, that means that the moon is closest to Earth in its monthly orbit, and that causes a greater gravitational pull. The oceans bulge a bit more, and that leads to a higher high tide. Bottom line, there could be some minor coastal flooding in those vulnerable spots. But here's what the forecast looks like as far as the weather goes. Brisk breezes on Tuesday with rain, windy conditions on Wednesday with showers passing through, and then Thursday, here comes a tropical wave, possibly bringing some periods of heavy rain to the area, so note the rain chance at 70%, and temperature staying on the quote-unquote cooler side because of the cloud cover and the rain. But for Tuesday, forecasting a high of 86, that is a little bit below the norm of upper 80s for this point in the season. Have a great Tuesday, and make sure your umbrella is sturdy.